Hi guys, so we are going to go over, first, we're going to go over lesson 29. So in lesson 29, we are dividing you with 4-digit numbers. So we're dividing 4-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers. So I am going to go through 2 examples and do these 2 problems. And then you guys should be good to do them on your own. If you need help to see again the problems, then go ahead and rewatch the video. So this one, I'm going to do long division in this video, and then I'm going to do another video showing the place value, using place value chart, if you're still using the place value chart. So here goes our long division. So we're going to set it up exactly the same way we've been setting up our long division, drawing our little house, and putting our dividend underneath and our divisor on the outside. And then we're going to go place by place, dividing to see if we can divide. So we're going to start with our thousands place, or our largest place, and we are going to see how many times 2 can be divided by 4. Well, if we write 2 divided by 4, we know that 2 is less than 4. So we cannot get any groups of 4 out of the number 2. So we cannot divide 2 by 4. If we do, we would end up with a fraction. And we don't want that because we're working with whole numbers. So I'm going to put a little X above that 2 so we can keep our place value in order. And then we're going to look at it like it's a 24 instead. So if we were looking at our place value chart, we would be unbundling or decomposing that 2 into 20 hundreds. Right, that 2 thousands into 20 hundreds. And so now we're looking at 24 hundreds divided by 4. Well, 24 divided by 4, we know that 4, we can get how many groups of 4 out of 24? Well, we can get 6 groups of 4 out of 24. So 24 divided by 4 is 6. Okay, then we are going to do our next step. I'm going to write our steps up here. So we have divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, so we can remember those. So we divided. Now we're going to multiply. 6 times 4 gives us 24. Then we're going to subtract. We have 0. Then we are going to bring down our 6. Okay, our next step is to repeat. So we're going to divide. 6 divided by 4. I can get 1 group of 4 out of 6. 6 divided by 4 is 1. Okay, that's as high as I can get without going over. Then we have 1 times, then we're going to multiply 1 times 4. We get 4, subtract, we end up with 2. Okay, so after we subtract, our next step is bring down. Really, if we were looking at our place value chart, we would be unbundling that 2 into 20 ones. We're going to put it together with our 4 ones. We're going to do 24 divided by 4 one more time, which we already know because we've already done it up here. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So 6 times 4 is 24. We subtract and we end up with 0. So our answer here is 616, our quotient. And then it says check using multiplication. So I'm looking for you to be checking your work. 616 times 4. We're going to double check and make sure our answer is correct. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 2 is 6. 4 times 6 is 24. So we have 2,464. 2,464. We started with 2,464, so we are correct. Okay, next question. One more time. Set up under our house. So we're going to start with our 1. We know we cannot divide 1 by 3. We would end up with a fraction. So I'm going to put a little, oh no, put a little X so we can keep our place value in line. Okay, and then we're going to look at this as 18. 18 divided by 3. Let me put this over here. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Put our 6 up there. I'm going to rewrite my steps so we don't forget them. Okay, 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract 0. Bring down our 4. We're going to do 4 divided by 3. 4 divided by 3 is, we can get one group of 3 out of 4. Multiply. Subtract. We had 1 left over. And then bring down. Then we're going to do 18 divided by 3 again, which we've already done. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Multiply. Get 18. 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract. You get 0. There's nothing else to bring down. We know we are finished. We're going to do 616 times 3 to make sure we are correct. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 1 is 3, plus our carried 1 is 4. 3 times 6 is 18. 1,848 here, 1,848 here, and 1,848 is what we started with. Great job.